This video is going to run through a couple of examples of kinetic energy, and they're just simple examples because we don't have conversions between energy types or anything like that, but it's a good thing to be able to do some of these. Let's say we've got this ball, and this has a mass of 2 kilograms, and it's moving along this way at 5 meters per second squared. We can find the kinetic energy of this thing. We can say its kinetic energy is half mv squared. So a half times 2 kilograms times 5 meters per second squared equals 25 joules. Maybe we want to know, if it's going at double the speed, how will its kinetic energy change? So if the speed doubles, what happens to the kinetic energy? There are a couple ways we can do this. The most direct, of course, would be to just double the speed in here. So we're going to say kinetic energy nu equals half 2 kilograms times 10 meters per second squared, which is 100 joules. So when our speed has doubled, our kinetic energy has quadrupled. That's fine. The other way we could do this, and this is a strategy that's worth having, is this. Kinetic energy nu is half m nu v nu squared. Kinetic energy old is half mass old v old squared. And we're going to divide these. The half cancels. The mass nu and mass old, those are the same. And then for v nu, I'm going to put in that we are doubling our v old. So this thing, 2 squared, that's 4 v old squared over v old squared. The v old squareds can cancel, and I am left with 4. Solving that, kinetic energy nu equals 4 times kinetic energy old. It's a different way of approaching it, but it can be a helpful thing if we don't have the kinds of values that let us plug in. This thing worked without needing to know what the initial velocity was or anything like that. We just said, if we've got some initial kinetic energy and we double our speed, what happens to the kinetic energy? Well, I didn't put in even what those speeds were or anything, and I found that our kinetic energy is being quadrupled. If we triple our speed, we're going to end up with a 9, because this is going to be 3 squared. So if v gets tripled, then our kinetic energy gets multiplied by 9. It's just a way of being able to solve some of these problems.